While Nmap is the old venerable scanner, it's certainly not the only one. It's probably the most powerful one. Well, I think definitely. And in fact, it is used behind the scenes by a lot of commercial and free products. But there are other scanners, including HPing and others, and you should be aware of them. So HPing, and there's version 2 and version 3 out there, it's a command line scanning and packet crafting or packet shaping tool for TCP/IP. We can use it for firewall testing, security auditing, set the maximum transmission unit size, we can do it for host discovery, advanced trace route, try to do OS fingerprinting, remote uptime estimating, look at TCP/IP stacks. So there's a bunch of things we can use it for. Just so you can see this, here's an example of HPing3 packet crafting. Now, don't think that packet crafting means you're creating something from scratch. It just means you're changing the flags and other things to something unusual. So in this case, you see this raise TCP fin flag? Let me just zoom in here. This means this HPing3 TAC CAPF means TCP segment with the fin flag raised. And then this little c1, that's the packet count, so send just one. And then small p with a number, that's the destination port. And then small s with a number, that's the source port. And then finally the target. And it gives you some kind of response here. So it can say, I'm sending these things here. And the response coming back is an RA, meaning that it sent a reset with an ACK. In other words, I'm not listening on port 79. HPing, you can do an ICMP ping, you can do an ACK scan, a UDP scan, you can collect sequence numbers, you can look at firewalls and timestamps, you can do a SYN scan, you can raise fin, push, and urgent, a Christmas scan, scan entire subnets, intercept all traffic containing an HTTP signature, you can do SYN flooding, so you can do some denial of service. In addition to Nmap and HPing, there are all these other tools: Superscan, PRTG, OmniPeak, Loads and Lows, Slitherus, I love that, Network Discovery, Kerports, Global Network Inventory, Network Scanner. I mean, this is just a few. There are more, but just to recognize some of these if you see them. There are scanners that will run on mobile devices, and you use your mobile device to attack the network. So IP Scanner, Fing, Hackcode, Xanti, Csploit, FaceNIF, PortDroid, PAM, IP Scanner. There's just a few choices there. So that is scanners besides just Nmap.